Good morning, students. So, till last class we have discussed about algorithms and flowchart. Today we shall see the basic operators which are required for writing a C program. The basic operators which are required for writing a C program. So, first we shall see some of the definitions. What is a constant? What is a variable? What is an expression? What is an operator? Like this. Then we shall discuss about the types of operators. What are the operators we are using for writing the C program?
Okay, sir.
Still students are joining. That's why I am waiting for few minutes. So first we shall see constant. What is a constant? A constant is a fixed value that will not change during execution of a program. That will not change during execution of a program is called a constant. A constant is nothing but a fixed value. Fixed value. Example 5, 8, 12, 13.3, 13, comma, x. These are called as constant. A constant is a fixed value. Like 5. 5 is an integer value. So wherever we use 5, it remains same. 8. 8 is a constant. 13.3. If it contains a fractional part, then we call this one as a real constant. If it contains only integer part, then we call it as a decimal constant. This is real constant. So here I have written a name, Sachin, inside the double quote. So Sachin is a name. This is also a constant. This constant is called as string constant. Here it is containing only one letter X inside the single quotation. This X is called as a character constant. This is a string constant. This is a real constant or also called as float constant. This is a decimal constant. Decimal constant will not contain the fractional part. The real constant will contain the fractional part. Next, variable. A variable is a memory location used to store comma, modify and retrieve the value. So what is a variable? A variable is a memory location. It is a memory location used to store the value or to change the value or to access the value is called as a variable. So variable is nothing but a memory location. So when we run the program, where the values are stored inside the memory. Say that this is the entire memory is there. Our values might be stored in this location. This location is called as variable. This location can contain value 5. Say that this location is A. This A indicates this is the memory location which can contain the value. this value can be modified, this can be accessed for the other operations. So variable is nothing but a memory location. If this is the entire memory location, if 5 is stored at this location is called as variable. A is containing value 5. If in the next step A value changes to 8, then in the same location the A value is changed to 8. So variable is nothing but the memory location which is used to store the value or modify the value, or that can be accessed to change the value. Like for example, A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So A is a variable, 5 is a constant. 5 is a constant. Now A is containing value 5. Say that A is stored at in this memory location at this place. So this memory location name is called as variable. This memory location name is called as variable. Initially it is containing the value 5 because I have assigned the value 5. Now if I change here, A is equal to A plus 5. A is equal to A plus 5. Now here A, what is A here? The current value of A. What is the current value of A? Current value of A is 5. So 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is stored again in A. 10 is stored again in A. Now A is changed to 10. So this is called as variable. This is called as variable. Getting everybody? So earlier A is containing 5. A is containing 5. In the next statement, A is equal to A plus 5. We have accessed this value I, 5. Modify and retrieve. Retrieve means accessing the value. The 5 value is accessed here for the next operation, next statement execution. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 again stored in A. So earlier 5 is modified to 10. So what is variable? Variable is just the location where we store the value, or we can retrieve the value, or we can change the value, or we can change the value. Yes?
Constant.
This right side, whatever the value I am giving, it is a constant here. In this case, it is a constant. So constant is a fixed value. 5 means it will remain 5. 5 cannot change. 8 means 8 is a fixed value. But here in case of variable, A value earlier it is containing 5. Now A value is changed to 10. This is called as variable. This right side is called as constant. 10 is a constant, but A is a variable. Clear everybody? Clear? Erase?
Yes.
Operator. Operator. So operator is a symbol. Operator is a symbol used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetic and logical operations. Like for example, this is the plus. Plus is an operator used for addition. Star is an operator used for multiplication. This is called as logical AND. Logical AND. Logical AND. This is used to perform logical operations. So we can perform by using operator Operator is a symbol which can be used for performing arithmetic operation. This is addition. This is multiplication. And this is logical operation. So there are many operators are there. We shall discuss different operators in the types of operators. Operators is a symbol used to perform both arithmetic as well as logical operations. Logical operations. Expression. Expression. Expression is a group of constant, variable and operator. An expression is a group of constant, variables and operators. So this is called as an expression. Like for example, sum is equal to sum plus I. We have already seen this kind of statements in algorithm and flowchart. So sum. What is sum? Sum is a variable. Sum is equal to sum plus I. So here this equal is called as operator and plus is called as an operator. I and sum are called as variable. Second one. J is equal to I plus 3. J is equal to I plus 3. Here J is a variable, I is a variable, 3 is a constant. Plus and equal are the operators. So here an expression is a group of constants, variables and operators. So here it is containing I and J are variables, 3 is a constant. Plus and equal are operators. Clear everybody? What is a constant? What is a variable? What is an operator? What is an expression? Now we shall see the types of operators. The types of operators. Types of operators. First one, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operators are plus is the symbol. It is used for addition purpose. Addition purpose. This is the multiplication purpose. Star is used for the multiplication purpose. Minus is used for subtraction purpose. Subtraction. Slash is used for division purpose. Division. This modulus is used for remainder. Remainder. So these are 5 operators belongs to arithmetic operator. So plus symbol we have used for addition, star we use for multiplication, minus we use for subtraction, slash is used for division purpose, and percentage symbol is used for remainder. Is used for remainder. Example: if A is containing 5 and B is containing 3. A is containing 5 and B is containing 3. If I say that C is equal to A plus B, C is equal to A plus B. So now, what is the value of A? A is 5. What is the value of B? B is 3. Now C is 8. So the addition of two numbers is performed by using this operator. This operator is called as addition, arithmetic operator. Plus is used for adding two values. Now, second example. If A is 3 and B is 4, B is 4. I want to multiply two numbers. C is equal to A into B. C is equal to A into B. So now, what is the value of A? A is 3. What is the value of B? B is 4. 3 into 4, 12. So where it is stored? It is stored in C. It is stored in C. So here, the star operator is used for multiplying two numbers. So these are the arithmetic options: plus, addition, star, multiplication, minus, subtraction, slash, division, and percentage is the remainder. Already we have seen these operators while we are writing the algorithm and flowchart. Anybody having any doubt?
No, sir.
So second type of operator. Second type of operator. Logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operators are again divided into three types. One is logical AND. Logical AND. The notation is this one. Second one is logical OR. The notation is used this vertical bar 2 times. Next is logical NOT. Logical NOT. The notation is this exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. So logical operators. Logical operators again divided into logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Logical NOT. Now, first we shall see what is the logical AND operation. Logical AND operation. The logical AND operation, the result of logical AND. The result of logical AND operation is true. True. True means 1. True means 1. If both the variables are true. Are true. Are true. The logical operation, the logical AND result is false. False means 0. If both the variables, if any one of the variable, any one of the variable is false. Is false. So this is called as logical AND operation. Logical AND. The logical AND, we use the symbol ampersand, ampersand 2 times. 2 times. The result of the logical AND operation is true. True means we always denote this one as 1. True. If both the variables are true. Now, logical AND operation. Logical AND result is false. False means 0. If any one of the variable is false. Any one of the variable is false. I'll erase this one. I'll write the truth table.
Sir.
One second. This is not completed. Once completed, you can ask the question. Still not completed this one. Now, truth table for logical AND. Logical AND. So this is variable 1. This is variable 2. This is the result. What is the result? variable 1 and variable 2. Now, variable 1, true, the value is true, the variable 1 is true, the variable 2 is false, true, false, the result will be false. If the variable value 1 is true, 1 is false, and variable 2 value is true, then the result is false. If variable 1 is false, if variable 2 is false, then you say that the result is false. So logical AND operation is true when both the variables are true. Logical AND operation is false when any one of the variable is false. When any one of the variable is false. Yes. Now you ask any question?
While writing code, if it is true, we should represent it as 1, sir.
Yes. I will explain that one.
Okay,
I'll explain. Now, after this one understood, variable 1, this is variable 2, this is the result. The result is true when both are true. The result is false when any one of the variable is false. Here second variable is false, here first variable is false, here both the variables are false. So it is true only when both are true. In other cases the result is false. Now, what is false? False will be always indicated by 0. False will be always indicated by value 0 in C programming or in any programming language. Now, what is true? Any value other than 0 is called as true value. This is false, this is true. Only 0 denotes the false value. Any value other than 0, we call it as true value. Now we shall see some example. What does the true and false mean? Now, example 1, A is 5 and B is 3. A is 5, B is 3. Now, C is equal to A logical and B. We write like this. So, what is A? A is 5. What is B? B is 3. So, 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Now, according to this statement, 0 means false. Is it 0? No. Any value other than 0 is called as true value. So, it is not 0. Not 0 means true. And 3. 3 means it is not 0. Not 0 means true. Now, according to the definition of logical AND, the logical AND, true and true, what is the result? When both the variables are true, the result is
true.
The result is true. What is the true value? True value means 1. The result will be always 1. But here it is 5. 5 I have taken as true. Here it is 3. 3 I have taken as 3. True and true. True result we will get as 1. In C language, the result will be either 1 or 0. In programming language, the result will be either 1 or 0. 0 means false, 1 means true. But when you are taking the variable values, then we say that any value other than 0 is called as true value. But the result will be either 0 or 1. Getting everybody? Now, I will take one more example. Second. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. C is equal to A logical and B. C is equal to A logical and B. A logical and B. Now, what is A is 3, what is B is containing? B is containing 0. Now, according to this definition, any value other than 0 is called as true value. Any value other than 0. So, this is not 0, so we write true. Now,
False.
what is 0? 0 means false.
False.
False. Now, according to the definition of logical AND, the logical AND result is false when any one of the variable is false. Here, true and false. Here, one is false is there. So, entire result is false. So, false we write like this. False. Now, what is false value? False value is
0, sir. C is equal to 0.
false.
0, sir.
Sir, we can't hear your voice.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Your voice is not clear.
Not audible, sir.
Now are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
don't confuse that. Here, A is 5. For 5, I am writing true. Here, A is 3. For 3, I am writing as true. But the result will be always 0 or 1. Here, you should not take C is equal to 5. Here, 5 and 3, true and true. True and true result is true. True means you have to take 1. You have to take 1. Here, false means we will take 0. But here, in this case, A is 5 means we will write this one as true only. Any value other than 0 is called as true, but the result will be always in 1 or 0. Next, second one. Logical OR. B1. Logical OR. So here we will use 2 vertical bars. Logical OR. The logical OR result is true. True means 1. When any one of the variable is true. True. The logical OR result is false when both the variables are false. So this is the second logical operator. Second logical operator is logical OR. In logical OR, the result is true. True means 1. The result is true when any one of the variables is true. Now, logical OR result is false. False means 0 when both the variables are false. Now, truth table. truth table for logical OR. This is variable 1. This is variable 2. This is the result. What is the result? Result is equal to variable 1 or variable 2. Variable 1 or variable 2. Now, what is variable 1? True, 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 false, false, true, false, 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 false. Only these 4 possibilities we can get. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Now, according to the definition, logical OR result is true when any one of the variables, here both are true. So, the result will be true. Here, this one is true, this one is false. Since it is true, we call this one as result is true. Here, this one is false, this one is true. Here, it is true when any one of the variable is true. Here, since the second one is true, then the result we write this one as true. Now, the logical OR result is false when both the variables are false. When both the variables. Now, false or false, we write the result as false. So, this is the truth table for logical OR. Logical OR. Once again, the logical OR result is false when both are false. In other cases, the result is true. Getting everybody? Logical OR result is false when both the variables are false. In other cases, it is true. Other cases means either both can be true or one can be true. Erase. Now we shall see some examples. Example, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Now, C is equal to A or B. C is equal to A or B. Now, what is the A value? A value is 3. What is the B value? B value I have taken as 4. Now, what 3, any value other than 0 is called as true value. Now, true or true. True or true. According to truth table, when any one of the variable is true, the result is true. The result is true. So, what is the true value? True value, the computer gives as integer value 1. Integer value 1. Integer value 1. Now, second example. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. C is equal to A logical or B. What is A? A is 5. What is B? B is 0. So, any value other than 0 we call this one as true value, or 0 means false. 0 means false. According to the truth table of logical OR, if any one of the variable is true, the result will be true. True. So, true means what the computer gives? The computer gives us only the integer value, either 1 or false. True means 1, false means 0. Now, the C value will be 1. The C value will be 1. We shall see third example. A is 0 and B is 0. A is 0, B is 0. C is equal to A logical or B. 0 or 0. What is 0? 0 means false. What is 0? 0 means false. False or false? False. Now, what does C contain? C contain value 0. We write like this. So, logical OR result is false when both are false. Here both are false, that's why the result is 0. 0 indicates false value. 0 indicates false value. Now, Clear, everybody? Anybody having any doubt in this example? Anybody
Sir,
having any doubt?
that symbol is 4 lines,
sir.
sir.
Symbol is
4 lines.
vertical bar. Vertical bar in computer, you see in the keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Keyboard, this is called as vertical bar.
Okay.
Now, shall I move to next operator?
Sir, is it exclamation mark or just slash, sir?
Not slash. This is vertical bar like this. You see on the keyboard. You see on the keyboard. Keyboard, it will be above the enter button.
Sir, your voice
is not audible.
gone.
Your voice is gone, sir, again.
Not audible, sir. Can't hear you, sir.
No, sir.
Now are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Vertical bar, it will be above the enter button in the keyboard. Enter button is the keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Vertical bar, like this. You have to press by using the shift and that's it, that button. Above the enter.
Yes, sir.
Yes. There is a vertical bar and a slash, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So if you want to get the vertical bar, you have to use shift and that's button.
So voice is again gone.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
It became low now, sir.
Now, is it okay?
It is low, sir.
It is
very
very
low,
low,
sir.
sir.
It's not audible, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your voice is low.
No, sir. Your voice is low.
Now are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes, sir. It is perfect.
Yes, sir.
Students, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can
Students,
hear.
Yes, sir. We can hear.
Yes, sir.
are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
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 Now, audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students, are you able to hear my voice now?
We can hear, sir, but
Yes, sir.
I think you can't hear
Yes,
us.
sir.
But I am not able to hear your voice.
Yes, sir. You can't.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, I will continue the class. Logical, not operator. So this is the second type of operator only I am discussing, logical operators. In this logical operator, first one is logical AND, second one is logical OR, now the third one is logical NOT. The logical NOT result is true when the variable is false. Is true when the variable is false. True means 1. No. The logical NOT result is false is false when the variable value is true. When the variable value is true. So here this logical not operator will take only one variable. If the variable value is false, then the result will be true. If the variable value is true, then the result will be false, vice versa. I am not able to hear your voice. Now, truth table. Truth table for logical not. Truth table for logical not. Now variable, now result. Result is equal to not variable. Result is equal to not variable. Now, if the variable is true, then the result will be false. If the variable is false, then the result will be true. It will take only one variable. Logical not will take only one variable. If the variable is true, then the result will be opposite of true. It is false. If the variable is false, then the result will be true. Now we shall see some examples. Example for logical not. Example for logical not. Now, example 1. A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now, C is equal to not A. Now, not 3. So, what is 3? 3 means true. Not true means false. What is the false value? False value is 0. I am not able to hear your voice, student. If you have any doubts, you can chat the message. C is equal to 0. Now, second example. D is equal to 0. Now, C is equal to not D. So, not means exclamation mark. Now, B. What is the B value? B value is 0. Not 0. B value is 0. What is 0? 0 means false. Not false. Not false means true. What is the computer value for true? Computer value for true is always 1. The resultant value will be always 1. So now, if the variable value is true other than 0, not true means false. You will get output as 0. If the variable value itself is false, not false means you will get true. True means 1, false means 0. True means 1, false means 0. This is all about logical operator. Student, anybody having any doubt? You can write a message in chat box. Student, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Student?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hear my voice.
Sir, you are audible.
But I am not able to hear your voice. Your voice is not audible for me.
Yes, sir.
So today I will stop this class up to this logical operator because next class R will come. So I will continue the remaining operators in the next class. Thank you for attending this class.
Thank you, sir.
Float division. Like for example, we shall see in the next class, float division, everything. Like for example, if I have taken A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, then C is equal to 5 by 2, it will be 2.5. 2.5. If A is float and B is float, then we will get C is equal to float. That we shall see later when I explain about the data type. When I explain about the data type, what is float, what is integer, what is character, what is string, then we shall say float division. For time being, don't confuse, because others might not be knowing what is float, what is character. Okay, students, today I will stop here itself. So next class I will start with the remaining operators, relational operators, etc. Thank you all. Thank you for attending the class. Once again, don't leave the meeting. I will download the attendance.
Yes, sir. Download.
Okay, student, thank you. I will end the meeting.